Hey y'all, Iris here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share my recipe for sliceable sourdough sandwich bread. This recipe has been an amazing solution for my family. It has helped us save money while eating better, healthier for you bread. The base of this recipe is my basic sourdough recipe. I will be sure to link that in the cards as well as in the description box below. We're going to start at the point where our sourdough has fermented on the counter overnight, and we are going to add a few ingredients to it to help soften the crust. We're going to add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we are going to fold those ingredients into the dough. Once all of the ingredients are combined, we're going to pour it into a greased loaf tin and give it one final rise at room temperature for 1 hour. We're going to bake it in a preheated oven set to 375 for 50 minutes. It's really important that you let the bread cool completely for 5 to 6 hours before slicing it, and it slices even better if you let it sit overnight. It also freezes extremely well if you feel like making a large batch. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.